Anytime you actually can feel that you've made a difference to somebody's life, to me, that's the reason why I do this job. I've been working in apprenticeships for most of my career in construction. You see people grow, you see confidence grow in people, you see them mature, and you're making a difference, and you're changing people's lives in many ways. We've got some of our apprentices who haven't had the greatest start in life, and by us taking them on into employment and giving them the experience we do, it's life-changing. Apprentice is a shared apprenticeship scheme set up in South East Wales. We turn an apprenticeship term into a multifaceted experience by using host partners and rotating our apprentices through different experiences to give them the most rounded and whole experience we can in order to turn them into a comprehensive and a knowledgeable apprentice.
Well, I'm a bricklaying apprentice. I love what I do, love being outdoors. It's how I spend most of my time when I'm not working anyway. So doing something outdoors with my hands just always felt right to me. I'm Danny Hodges, I'm 18 and I'm an apprentice with Prentis. The main benefit is to moving around, getting to know different people, different companies, getting your name out there with as many people as you possibly can and putting a good impression out there ready for when you go out, whether you get a job with them or a reference from them ready for you to leave. It's probably the best bit. I go to college once a week. It's on a Tuesday, so it breaks up the week quite nicely. Definitely helps to be out on site rather than just in a workshop, learning different ways people do things, and then you can find the way that suits you best.
As a scheme, we're nothing without our partners. I think having partners like Morgan Sindall is crucial to the scheme's existence. Without them using the scheme and seeing the benefits of the scheme, we wouldn't be able to operate it. It's as fundamental as that.
Morgan Sindall's involvement with Apprentice started at its inception because we've seen it was a really good way of utilising apprentices and giving apprentices the quality training that they needed. When we secure a project, we give the apprentice scheme a notification, and then what we try to do then is to match 1, 2 or even sometimes 3 apprentices that we take on a project to run through that particular trade.
Well, the boys from Morgan Sindall were great. Everyone's very welcoming when you get there. Quite happy for you to jump straight in and teach you a few things. If you do something wrong, no one ever gets annoyed at you, they just show you how to fix it.
This is a brilliant alternative route. You join the apprentice scheme, you go on to site, it's interspersed with college, you gain your qualifications of NVQ level 2, and then if you're a tradesman and you want to progress to NVQ level 3 and so on, you know, the opportunities are there to achieve that.
Having the company that can find all the different locations for you and get you there, knowing that that's going to be suitable for you for a certain amount of time, and then when that ends they can get you another one quite quickly. It's quite reassuring to know that I don't pay for my course in college. It's a massive benefit because it's very expensive to pay for the course. I can just earn while I learn, and then as soon as I'm qualified, go out and keep earning.
Our current rate is around 95–96% of our apprentices go into employment with one of their hosts. It does give you that satisfaction to know that you've helped not only a young person earn while they learn, to coin a phrase, but you're, I suppose, instrumental in them earning a living to feed their family and to have a career in the industry. Then that's sort of really satisfying.